Hello dear Aquarius, welcome to my channel and this is your last week reading for the month of August. Yes, we are already in the last week. This is going to be exclusive love plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the Nine of Moons and the Burning Tower. Oh my god. First of all, I do see that things are going to change for you, like in a minute, in a second, right? And they can be unpredictable, shocking, and scary as well. But get ready because the universe is stepping in this week. Things that you were not able to do, things that you have been procrastinating. For example, relationships that were not working out for you, right? Is going to end it. Friendships that were not working out for you, it's going to end it. Health issues can also come this week. Why do you think that's happening? Because you have not been taking care of your health, right? So anything which was not good for you, the universe is going to remove it. So be prepared for a lot of endings for you. Food that will you will not be able to eat, things that you will not be able to do, but they are for your own good. Remember, universe is stepping in to help you, to clear your path, the things that you were not able to do, to remove them from your life. And also new beginnings will happen. That means people, the right opportunities, the right friendships will form this week. So you will automatically attract people which are good for you, which will be there for you in the long run. And people who were only there for a season, or they were there for some, their own benefit, they are going to be removed this week. So expect endings and new beginnings. Also take the message of going with the flow, because this week things are going to drastically change for you. You will not be able to recognize your life yourself after this week. So be prepared already and go with the flow just like a river. Whatever is happening for you, let it happen. Or whoever is coming into your life, let them come. Whoever is leaving, let them go. I also see that some relationship or marriage will instantly form. For example, you have been single for a very long time, you're not able to find a partner, suddenly you meet someone and you guys decide to get married. It can be as quick as that, so be prepared. I also see that you're getting a lot of attention this week. So it could be that you're forming a new relationship and people are talking about it, you're making it official on social media, getting married, because I do see that you are getting some sort of fame, celebrity like status. And this only happens when you two are like a bride or groom, right? Or a hot couple in the town, right? The talk of the town. So that can be your situation in this week as well. Whether you are married, your relationship will go through major transformation and changes, but it will be very good for your relationship. You will also attract a lot of attention. So please make sure, whether you're in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, sudden drastic changes can happen this week. Okay, take this as a warning and take this also as a guidance to what to do this week to handle this week correctly. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the cardinal card and the hangman. By the way, I do see that you are ready to take some risk this week, or you have already taken a risk in the past. Everybody was against you, but you still decided to go ahead. I also see that this definitely brought you some sort of growth, abundance, or money, but unfortunately, it also attracted some sort of stabbing in the back. There was somebody along the way who maybe stabbed you in the back. It can be your own business partner, colleagues, people you trusted, and you're going to be betrayed this week. And if this is something which has already happened and you are stuck on it for too long, this is an indication. The hangman is telling you to move forward from it. Okay. If you're going to hold on to that stuck energy, that oh my god, how can they do this? Maybe you lended money to somebody, but they are not returning it to you, right? How can they do this? I trusted them, they stabbed me in the back, they betrayed my trust, that kind of situation. I agree that happened. The cards are saying, I agree that happened, but you have to move on from it. If you're going to hold on to that hurt, to that betrayal in your career, whether that's your job or your business, then it's only going to delay your destiny, right? I do see better opportunities are coming to you this week. They are just around the corner. They're just literally around you. But the point is that you are so negative in life, or you're looking backwards or waiting for some opportunity to come to you, or let's say come back to you, that you're not looking at that new opportunity. There is an opportunity which will help you make double the money that you have lost, right? Triple the success that you have lost, but only if you look forward and you move on. So this week is the time to move on from that betrayal that has already happened. And if this week the betrayal happens, you know what to do. Don't linger, don't get stuck on it for way too long. Just accept it, move on, and look for new opportunities to succeed in your life, because they are going to present yourself, right? And I don't want you to miss them because you were too busy holding on a grudge, or you were in a hurt position, right? So I hope you got, this is going to be a challenging week, but also eye opener, but also very transformative, but also very powerful week. So I want you guys to claim this powerful energy by commenting, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that it reaches you faster and you're able to trust the universe to guide you. And yes, this was a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Aquarius. So if you have any specific questions regarding your life, regarding your health, your business, your spouse, whatever, you can book a personal reading and get your own answers. So you can check out the description box. I have a lot of other services available. I do have rituals, counseling sessions, no contact readings, love readings, and a lot of packages available as well. To book any service, you can email me at my email ID or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And if you want to book a reading through Instagram, please make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well. It's easy. I will also be posting the prices so that it's very clear to you. The budgeted prices start at 215 rupees. Even the rituals are almost in the same range. So you will get a lot of clarifications and budgeted accurate readings. Okay. So yes, I want to reach maximum people. That is why I have kept this chart, and probably I'll continue with the same price list for the rest of the year. So yes, before I increase the prices, I want you guys to avail this offer and go for the discounts. I also have audio video call sessions available with me. On my Instagram handle, I keep on posting the price list, the discounts, the new services that are launched, and more updates regarding my channel. So go check it out. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you liked it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get this video timely. So take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.